yo, ask me about my sneaker. And I'm gonna tell you, they ain't no Nikes, they New Balance. And ain't nothing normal about these joints. They fire. So let's talk about it. Y'all know how we do it. Let's get right to it. Roll camera. What's good, YouTube? It's your homeboy Camcorder Banks. Welcome to my channel, Cooler with Camcorder, where you get content focused on streetwear, sneaker content, and menswear fashion. Now, if this is your first time tuning into my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit that like button, drop a comment down below, and let me know you rocking with the team. While you at it, go ahead and follow my Instagram right here, or you'll see it right here. Go ahead and follow my IG. This is where you'll get to see me post up my latest sneakers, my latest fashion, and how I'm being creative with a ton of photos on my Instagram channel. Now, let's just get right into this channel discussion, man. I just got some new sneakers here at the crib, man, and I had to show y'all, man. I got the New Balance 997S, man. I got them in the colorway of varsity gold, blue, and black. So let's just hop into this box real quick, man, and let me show you what I got on the inside. All right, you did. Bow, 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 bow. Ooh, look at this. This is the New Balance 997S. These joints are fire, bro. I had to grab these joints. These ain't no regular New Balances. These are something that's like a motocross like type of biker sneaker. I was definitely attracted to this just because of the crazy colors right off of the back. If there's one thing, you already know that I'm just really stuck to like color blocking. That's something that really attracts my eye. If it's like loud color and they have some really dope color blocking on the sneaker. And like I said, I haven't worn New Balances in a minute, but seeing these upgrades to the 997S's, man, they really sleek. They really at the tip of the toe, man. They're a little slimmer. They brought in, and I really do like these. Now let's just go ahead and jump into it. Y'all know how I do it. So let's start off at the bottom of this joint, man. All right, now if you look at the bottom of these sneakers, whew, they fire. They got some really deep ridges on the inside of here, which I really do like. I mean, you won't see them on like normal sneakers, but these like at the bottom, they're like boots. So they really do have some grip that's at this bottom. In the middle right here, you'll see where it says like motion control device down here. Of course it got motion control, because I mean like you definitely got some grip down here. You ain't gonna bust your hip, lose your slip, or anything like that. This rubber sole at the bottom is definitely gonna keep some grip, and it's gonna make sure that any like rocks that get in between your sneakers or anything like that, you're gonna be all good and you won't feel too much traction on the bottom. Also at the bottom, you'll see like this logo that's at the bottom. That just lets you know like there's gonna be some like shock proof at the bottom, but I really do like that because it's a cushion at the bottom. So not only do you get this like rubber sole, this tough rubber sole, you'll also have some cushion at the bottom in between the arches of your feet, so you'll still be comfortable when you walk. Now if you get to this midsole up here, man, these boys is fire, man. I like that they have this cream colorway at the bottom. It look like dirt already in a way. Now if you look at the bottom of the sticker, like I said, it looks really rugged and it looks like dirty already. That's something that I like. It already gives the presentation of having like some worn look already. It got that theme of riding like a dirt bike, you know what I'm saying? So if you riding on a dirt bike, you get splats of mud and everything on your sneakers and everything, or your boot, like that motocross type of boot. I really do enjoy that. Now let's get to the back of here, man. This is what I was telling y'all about when it says absorb. So anytime that you see like that logo, that means you have some type of absorb technology in here. That's soft cushion at the bottom of the sneaker. You'll see it at the back of the sneaker. So anywhere you walking, pretty much this sneaker is gonna have some comfort on here, man. I love that they have this sneaker that's all about comfort, and at the same time it's all about fashion as well, man. It got some style to it, bringing some lifestyle to this sneaker. Now if we get to the front of this sneaker, let's just go ahead and jump right to the front really quick. They have some dope things that's on here. I forget what type of fabric this is called, but it's like this silky cotton twill-ish like type of fabric that's on here. It's not mesh, but it's really soft, very flexible, and it breathes a lot, man, which is really dope to me. This is meant for you to bend your sneaker up a little bit, and you won't have to worry about too much of creasing or anything like that. So it got this soft pattern on the foot, so it feels very comfortable when you walk. Now if you move to the side, you'll see that they have this suede type of pattern on here. That's what I like, man. Switch it up. Take it from one type of material and switch it up to the next. Keep my mind wandering when I'm looking at my sneaker. Really on a picture, it doesn't look too much of nothing, but if you look right here, you'll see it where it switches up. In the beginning of the toe, you'll see that it has like a different type of fabric. You get to the middle, it gets to that suede, and then at the back you have like the racer stripes that's at the back right here. It's like a hard plastic look, and then you have that New Balance in that's really shiny in the middle. So wherever you walk and that sun beaming on you, you're about to bring some attention to this sneaker. You feel me? These boys is fire. Now another thing that I do like about this sneaker is the back, the heel of this sneaker. Now it's not a lot of sneakers that's like this, but this is definitely based off of comfort. They're stiff, but at the same time you can squeeze them, bend them in, and it still looks right up in place. So I know when I'm walking, if I just want to slide my foot right up in there, I can put them in there and just get gone. And the same thing that applies applies to the tongue of this sneaker. It's not flimsy, but it's very, very soft, just like the back of this heel. Then on the inside, you'll see some color blocking on the inside. As you see, it's blue on the inside. Then you have that hot pink or like hot gem red type of color in here. Also, one thing I want y'all to keep in mind, detail is everything, bruh. On the inside, it say 997S, bruh. What? These boys is fire. So when I take these shoes off and I put them on the rack, or I'm taking them off when I'm going to anybody's crib, they gonna see on the inside of these boys, they 997S's. Don't play with me, man. Don't play with me. All right, now the last thing that I want to bring to attention is the front of here. It just grabs your attention a lot. Go ahead, look at those laces right there. Those like those camper laces. You know when you go to camp, or you go camping outside with your family, your friends, or whatsoever, and you had that rope that had that end, that clamping end, hook at the end. That's what these laces remind me of, and they definitely different. I like that. Got that black and it got some gem red pattern up that's on here. I might switch it up. I might not. Who knows? I mean, my mind switches with sneakers every day. So if I feel like it, I'll just keep it on here. If I don't, then shout out to New Balance for being really creative with this idea. I like the whole theme of like this motocross, motorbike type of sport sneaker, and like the font that's on here. Of course, it has that motocross, motorsport type of font on here. So it's just like the color, the patterns that's on here, the different change up of material, and then you got different things at the bottom, man. I love the bottom sole on here. I can't wait to rock these joints. So man, I hope y'all think the same, man. Now with all that being said, man, these are my new sneakers that I just got. These, like I said, they the New Balance 997S's. They went for 200 bones. I won't say they true to size. I will say size down because these are pretty big. They're size 12 and a half, and y'all know where I wear size 13. Shout out to the BAF squad, big ass foot squad. Y'all know what it is, man. They are really comfortable, man. So if you look for a comfortable sneaker, but at the same time you're trying to be stylish, this is the joint for you. Now with that being said, man, if y'all have any questions, drop them down below. I'll be happy to answer for y'all, man. I'm gonna catch up with y'all on the next one. You feel me? I'm your homeboy Camcorder Banks. I'm gonna get up out of here. I'm out. I'm gone. I'll holler at you. Peace.
Enlightened creature here. Ain't no man that I'ma fear. Godly and I hardly fuck with peasants. Go and fetch my beer.